Welcome to FB Live seminar of Accenture's Visa Consultancy. Study, Live, and Migrate to Australia. So, why Australia? Bakit nga ba Australia? We have four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. Number one, Australia is listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, and listed one of the highest salaries. So, yun yung all best aspect ng Australia kung bakit kailangan nyo nang i-consider mag-migrate to Australia. And kasali din po ang Australia sa best country in the world. Number 3 country with the highest average salaries. Number 7 best country in the world. Number 9 best country to raise a family. Number 27 safest country in the world. So, ayan yung mga kung nai-include po ang Australia sa pinaka best country in the world. Best country to raise a family dahil dito po maganda bumukod or gumawa ng pamilya. Maliban sa mga mataas ang average salaries, libre din po ang pag-aaral ng mga bata once you are a Australian citizen or resident. Here is navigating the top paying IT careers in Australia. For data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, software engineering, AI, and machine learning. For data science, some of the highest paid data science jobs in 2024: machine learning engineer, data scientist, data engineer, computer vision engineer, natural language processing or NLP engineer. Ito po yung kanilang annual income. For cybersecurity jobs in 2024, they have Chief Information Security Officer, Security Architect, Penetration Tester, Security Engineer, Security Consultant. And ito naman po ang kanilang annual income each jobs. For cloud computing jobs, 2024, they have Cloud Solution Architect, Cloud Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, DevOps Engineer, Cloud Data Engineer. Ito naman po ang kanilang annual income. For some of the highest paid software engineering naman po tayo. For software development manager, site reliability engineer, full stack developer, mobile software developer, blockchain developer, ayan naman po ang kanilang annual income each jobs. For AI and machine learning, they have Chief AI Officer, AI Architect, AI Product Manager, AI Ethics Specialist, AI Research Scientist. Ito naman po ang kanilang annual income each jobs. So, yan po yung mga some of the highest paid AI machine learning jobs this 2024. So how to find and apply for a job? So how to find a job? Don't worry. We have www.seek.com.au that can help you to find a job that fit to a student visa holder. Lalagay lang po dito yung current address po natin para malagay po tayo sa malapit, and yung keyword and yung classification, then just seek and you will find, pwede na kayo maghanap ng work doon. Once naghanap na po tayo ng work, maghanap naman po tayo or saan naman po tayo pwede mag-apply ng trabaho. So we have www.linkedin.com that can help us to apply for a job that fit for a student visa holder. Ayan po ating www.linkedin.com. So for schools location, we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rate. We have four major cities in Australia. We have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. As of now, yung pinaka-famous na marami kami student granted this year, lalo na last year, is Parramatta. We have affiliated school na hindi na po kailangan ng show money in IELTS. And of course, affordable na affiliated school po namin. What are the benefits of an Australian student visa? Here are the benefits of a student visa holder. Study at any university in Australia, travel in and out of Australia as necessary, work part-time during your course of study for up to 20 hours every week. The visa permits students to work in Australia once they graduate. It's the first step towards obtaining an official job in Australia and applying for an extended stay. As dependents under your student visa, your spouse and children may accompany to Australia. Ayan po yung mga benefits of an Australian student visa. I repeat, as I said earlier, for this April intake, we have affiliated school na no show money and no IELTS needed. We have 5 part-time jobs for international student in Australia. Not just 5, but here I will just show you the 5 part-time jobs. Marami pong pwedeng pagtrabahuhan as student visa holder. Here is just an example of those work. We have barista, bartender, server, hotel and hotel job, fruit picking. Ito po yung mga pwede nating pagtrabahuhan, but hindi lang po 5 ang pwede natin gawin. Hindi lang po 5 ang pwedeng pagtrabahuhan natin. Marami pa po. Just an example, unlimited work rights. Last year, Australian government give us a benefits of unlimited work rights for student visa holder, but it's end on June 30, 2023. We hope so. This year, 2024, magbaba ulit ang Australian government ng unlimited work rights. Sobrang laking tulong po nito sa isang student visa dahil makakapagtrabaho po tayo ng kahit ilang oras if may unlimited work rights sa binaba ang Australian government. You must have sufficient funds. Dito po, kailangan lang po natin patunayan ng ating sarili sa immigration na kaya po nating sustentuhan ang ating sarili sa the whole total period of stay po natin sa Australia. Living expenses, tuition fee, at iba pa po. Kailangan lang po natin ipakita na kaya natin sustentuhan ang ating pagstay sa Australia. It's just a simple and basic question sa immigration. So what are the typical reason of rejection? So if you have a blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy. Once you have this kind of sickness, yes, pwede po tayo ma-auto-denied or auto-reject ng Australia or ng immigration. For actual courses, for early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, we have related courses po and then po yung enrollment, tuition and material fees na onshore tsaka offshore nakalagay. We have an example for Certificate 3 in Early Childhood, Diploma of Early Childhood, Package of Early Childhood, Certificate 4 in Mental Health, Diploma of Community Services, Package Health and Community Course. For management courses, information technology courses, automotive courses, ayan po yung onshore, offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees each course. Para aware po kayo of you have an idea of how much you're gonna spend for that kind of courses, kailangan po, paalala po, kailangan related po ang courses na kukunin natin sa Australia para hindi po tayo ma-denied ng immigration. For trade courses, engineering course, hospitality courses, ayan po yung kanilang enrollment, tuition, and material fees each courses. Course start date or course commencement. Dito po ititawag natin na intake. So this year, 2024, we have 3 upcoming intakes. We have April, July, and October. So, I suggest or I advise, pinakamagandang intake po na papasukin natin is April. You know why? Because hindi na po kailangan ng show money in IELTS sa affiliated school po namin sa Paramata. Again, no IELTS, no show money needed for April intake. Di po natin alam kung tatagal po siya hanggang July or October. But one thing for sure now is for April intake, no show money, no IELTS needed. Here, summary of fees. So, estimated lang po ito. Just add 10% buffer. Yung mga i-mention ko po is kasama na po ito sa mga babayarin. For tuition fee, enrollment fee, material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC or 1-year single applicant, biometric. In total po na magagastos nyo sa mga na-mention ko na mga fees is 253,550 pesos. Hindi po kasama doon yung plane ticket and accommodation nyo po. So um, for awareness, estimated lang po ito, just add 10% buffer para po hindi po tayo kulangan sa ating processing. So how to earn 1 million in just 5 months? So if you work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, you will be paid 1,400 per week. So for 2 months, you earn 11,200 Australian dollar. Third month, you earn 16,800 Australian dollar. For the fourth month, you earn $22,400. For the fifth month, you earn 28,000 Australian dollar. In peso, it's 1 million pesos. So in just 5 months, you earn 1 million pesos as a single applicant student visa holder. Then, if you are a couple, boyfriend na long-term boyfriend na 3 years, I think, live-in partner, fiance, husband, as a couple, you earn 2 million. If a couple work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, they will be paid 1,400 Australian dollar per week each. Together, they make 2,800 Australian dollar per week. So sa first and second month nila is 22,400 Australian dollar. For the third month, it's 33,600 Australian dollar. Fourth month, it's 44,800 Australian dollar. And for the fifth month, it's 56,000 Australian dollar. In peso, it's 2 million pesos. So in just 5 months, as a couple, you earn 2 million pesos. As a student visa holder and as a spouse or dependents of a student visa holder, have a full-time work permit. So, base pa din po ito sa $35 per an hour and 40 hours a week. So, here, 8-step application process. So, step 1, sign the agreement or contract, company contract. Accenture contract, may contract po kami na kailangan nyo per month. Babasahin nyo po. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice from an educational counselor, principal consultant, former New Zealand immigration. So, makakuha po kayo ng advice galing po sa Accentrix team. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are a genuine student. Step 7, submit visa application. Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel to Australia. These are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. So, fill up the PDF form agreement, school enrollment form, submit all the required document, pay the enrollment fee directly to school. Wala pong dadaan sa company except the professional or company fee. Lahat po ng babayaran nyo, tuition, enrollment fee, or medical, or the visa application fee is direct po sa kanila yon, school and immigration. Ang ating Accentrix word of the day, it's a big world out there. It would be a shame not to experience it. So, maraming salamat po sa sumali or nanood ng ating short live seminar this afternoon. If you have any question, just drop down your full name and number. And after the seminar, tatawagan po kayo ng aming team. And if gusto nyo naman po mag-start ng inyong application process, same. just comment down your full name and number. Then after the seminar, you'll receive a call from our team. Sa mga gusto din po mag-set up ng appointment, face-to-face consultation, just drop your full name and number. Then after the seminar,